Hello dear students, now going to start again our class. Good morning, good afternoon students. I am Raihan Haq. This is a disturbing class today. Welcome to Ghore Boshe Shikhi. Last class we have discussed about the WS questions. Today we also discuss the 3 WS questions. You can see generally when we found a sentence to introduce about any place, then we use where. For example, Rumi goes to a library to read newspaper. I live in Dhaka. Where does Rumi goes to newspaper? Where does Rumi go to newspaper? Instead of place, we write down here where. Instead of place, I live in Dhaka, we write down here where. Now, go to the structure. This is the structure. Where noun, where plus noun plus auxiliary verb plus main verb plus extension. This is the structure for where. When you found any sentence in a place, you have to ask, instead of place, you have to write down where. Let's have a look another. When we found a sentence to know about cause, then we use why. Karon. When we found any cause means karon, then we use why. W-H-Y. Why? For example, Meena studies English to get a better job. Meena studies English to get a better job. Men eat food to get energy. Men eat food or people eat food to get energy. Meena studies English to get a better job. Men eat food to get energy. Is it right? Now you can see the answer. Why does Meena studies English? Meena means Amina. You have to write on any name. Why does, this is the third person singular number we use here. Why does Amina studies English? Why does Amina studies English? Men eat food to get energy. Why do men eat food? Why do men eat food? Keno khaddo khaye? Meena studies English to get a better job. Why does Meena studies English? Men eat food to get energy. Why do men eat food? After the completing sentence, you have to put the question marks. Every sentence. Let's have a look at the structure. Why plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus extension. This is the structure for remembering the how to establish a sentence, how to write down the sentence. This is the structure. Why plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus extension. You have already know what is the auxiliary verb or verb to be, or what is the main verb or principal verb. Usually when we want to know about how many much long in a sentence, then we use how. When we want to know about how many much long in a sentence, then we use how. For example, I went to Sylhet by train. I took 15 minutes to reach there. I went to Sylhet by train. It took 15 minutes to reach. Check your answer. How did you go to Sylhet? How did you go to Sylhet? This is the past person, so I have to write down did. How long did it take to reach there? It is a past tense, so we write down here did, and next one is present tense. How did you go to Sylhet? How long did it take to reach there? In this way you have to write down. Now have a look at the structure. How plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus extension. How auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb plus extension. This is the structure for how. Now have a look at another key part. Another example. I will invite 150 persons in this party. How many persons? 150 persons. How many persons will you invite in the party? How many persons will you invite the party? This is the questions. How many? This is the countable noun, so we write down here how many. I need 2 kilo milk every day. 2 liter or kilo milk every day. How much milk do you need every day? How much milk do you need every day? Because this is not countable. We cannot count. So it is, you have to use here how much. How many means which things you can count. Then you use how many. When you cannot count like this, then you have to write down how much. Milk, water, oil, like this. How much? Money. So dear students, in the meanwhile, I have discussed with you some WS questions. Last class you have also discussed with you some WS questions. Today we discuss with you some rest of the WS questions. What are the WS questions? Which word start with WS letter? This is called WS questions. Okay. So how many WS questions generally we found in our exam? 9 WS questions. What are these? When, what, where, why, and who, whom, whose, which, etc. How. Today we discuss with you why, where, how much, how many, how long. How long. I think everything is clear to you. You are perfect for these WS questions. Today is the last class for WS questions. Okay. So I have a homework for you. What homework? Write 5 WS questions by using why, where, how from your textbook. From where you take the statement? From your textbook. You can see in your textbook a lot of WS statement will be is given there. So you can find from your textbook. Which homework do you have? You have why, where, and how. By these words, you have to write down at least 5 sentences and keep in your home. Keep it at your home, because after remaining school, you can show your teacher. Or if you want to WhatsApp me, you can WhatsApp me by this number. I will check your answer. Okay. Dear students, today my environment is not very good. There is a electricity problem, there is a timing problem, there is a mobile problem, so that I have disturbed. I feel so much disturbed this class. So sorry I want to say sorry for this reason. The environment is not very good and favored to me. Thank you so much. See you next class next time. Till then, bye, and keep practicing. Never forget to wash your hand frequently and try to practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Okay, till then, bye bye. It's a good time to you.